Yeah, I can see Naiful's copy, but I didn't see Tusha's copy. Taha, show your copy again. And Tanisha, did you complete your writing?
No, miss.
No.
Yes, miss.
You are doing great, actually. First class লেখার চেষ্টা করবো। আচ্ছা। Naiful, I think your writing is
Miss,
done.
I write my
Okay.
uh, uh
Nice.
my write is done.
আচ্ছা, good. Taha. So Naiful, read out. জোরে জোরে পড়বো। Taha also. Tusha also. Tanisha not
Okay.
because Tanisha you didn't complete. Tanisha, within 1 minute, you try to complete this one. Build. পড়ে যাই।
Build,
Build,
build, build.
burn,
Brand,
burn, burned,
branded, brand, branded,
buy,
brand.
bought, bought,
Buy,
catch,
bought,
bought,
bought.
caught,
Cat,
came,
cut,
come,
cut.
come,
Come, can,
creep,
come.
creep, creep,
Creep, creeped,
deal,
creeped.
dealt, dealt,
Dull,
dig,
dulled,
dug, dug,
dulled. Dig,
dash,
dug,
dug, dug,
dug.
dull,
Drive,
dealt, dealt,
drive, drive,
earn,
drive.
earned, earned,
Dream,
fade, fed,
dreamed,
fed,
dreamed it.
Drink.
Dreamed,
think,
dreamed
think,
it.
tell,
Dull, dealt, dealt it.
fight, fought,
Dealt,
fought,
dealt it.
find, found,
One,
found.
earned, hunted,
Plan,
hunted.
plan.
Feed,
Thank you.
feed, feed.
Felt.
Fight,
Find.
fought, fought.
It's a found.
Find, found, found.
Find. Found.
Plead,
Found.
plead, plead.
Please.
আমার তো লেখা হয়নি তাই আমাকে বলতে হচ্ছে। লেখা হয়নি কেন?
আচ্ছা, তানিশা লেখা হয়নি, এই জন্য তানিশা পড়েনি। আচ্ছা, তানিশা কেন এত দেরি হয়েছে আমি বুঝতে পারলাম না।
Miss, I have done.
ওকে। আচ্ছা, নাও we'll do the other thing, that is this one. এটা আমাকে একটু বলতে হবে right now. One sentence here. Shoikot Islam lives with his parents. This is one sentence. And you have to change into negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. And another sentence. Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music. Same way. Another sentence. Mrs. Monora Islam enjoys swimming. Another sentence, she makes dresses. And the last sentence is Shoikot watches cartoons on TV every day. So your task is every single para you read 5 times and then tell me without saying very fastly. Got it? This is your
Yes, miss.
warm up session. মানে প্রত্যেকটা 5 বার করে পড়বো এবং না দেখে আমাকে বলার চেষ্টা করবো কতগুলো আমরা বলতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, 4টা ফর্ম। সো এটা লিখবো না, শুধু প্র্যাকটিস, জোরে জোরে প্র্যাকটিস করবো, থেমে যাব না। বাসায় কেউ যদি ঘুমায় থাকে সে যেন বিরক্ত হয়ে উঠে যায় যে এখানে আর ঘুমানো সম্ভব না। ইটস নট পসিবল টু স্লিপ হিয়ার। তুষার বুঝতে পেরেছি? ফিক্স ইউর ক্যামেরা।
Yes, miss.
হ্যাঁ, এখন জোরে জোরে পড়ো, আমি তো শুধু তোমার চুল দেখতে পাচ্ছি, আর তো কিছু দেখি না। আর উপরে টিন দেখতেছি। ক্যামেরা ঠিক করো, লিখতে হবে না, এটা জাস্ট রিড রিড রিড। Okay, is it done? I think done. Naiful,
Yes, miss.
Naiful.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Shoaikut Islam lives with his parents. Shoaikut Islam doesn't live with his parents? Does Shoaikut Islam lives with his parents? Doesn't Shoaikut Islam live with his parents? Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. And does Mr. Islam doesn't write stories and listen to music? Does Mr. Islam write stories and listens to music? Doesn't Mr. Islam write stories and listens to music? Mrs. Monroe enjoys swing. Mrs. Monroe doesn't enjoy swing. Does Mrs. Monroe enjoy swing? Doesn't Mrs. Monroe enjoy swing? She makes dresses. She doesn't make dresses. Does she make dresses? Doesn't she make dresses? Shokot watches cartoons on TV every day. Shokot doesn't watch cartoons on TV every day. Does Shokot watches cartoons on TV every day? Doesn't Shokot watches cartoons on TV every day? Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. খুব ভালো ছিল। আচ্ছা, নাও তাহা।
Shoykot lives with his parents. Shoykot does not live with his parents. Does Shoykot lives his parents? Doesn't Shoykot lives his parents? Mr. Kamal writes stories and listen to music. Mr. Kamal does not write stories and listen to music. Does Mr. Kamal write stories and listen to music? Doesn't Mr. Kamal write stories and listen to music? She makes dresses. She does not make dresses. Does she make dresses? Does not she make dresses? Mr. Kamal watches cartoons on TV every day. Mr. Kamal does not watch cartoons on TV every day. Does Mr. Kamal watch cartoons on TV every day? Does Mr. Kamal watch cartoons on TV every day?
Okay, thank you. Now, Tanisha.
Miss, আমরা কি এটা লিখবো? I write it.
না, এটা লিখতে হবে না। Another sentence you can write. Another sentence. Now, Tanisha said.
Mr. Shaukat Islam lives with his parents. Shaukat Islam doesn't live with his parents. Does Shaukat Islam lives with his parents? Doesn't Shaukat Islam lives with his parents? Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music. Mr. Islam doesn't write stories and listen to music. Does Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music? Doesn't Mr. Islam write stories and listen to music? Mr. Monara Islam enjoy with sing. Mr. Monara Islam doesn't enjoy with sing. Does Mr. Monara Islam enjoy with sing? Doesn't Mr. Monara Islam enjoy with sing? She makes dresses. She does not make dresses. Does she make dresses? Doesn't she make dresses? Shaukat watches TV. Shaukat watches cartoons on TV every day. Shaukat doesn't watches cartoons on TV every day. Does Shaukat watches cartoons on TV every day? Doesn't Shaukat watches cartoons on TV every day?
Very good. Now, Tusha say. Tusha.
Shoykot Islam lives with his parents. Shoykot Islam does not live with parents. Does Shoykot Islam live with his parents? Doesn't Shoykot Islam live with his parents? Mr. Islam writes stories. Mr. Islam writes stories and Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Mr. Islam doesn't write stories and listens to music. Does Mr. Islam write stories and listen to music? Doesn't Mr. Islam write stories and listens to music? Mr. Monwara Islam enjoys sewing. Mr. Monwara Islam does not enjoy sewing. Does Mr. Monwara Islam enjoy sewing? Doesn't Mr. Monwara Islam enjoy sewing?
দেখে আমরা বলছি, তাই না তুষা? কেন তোমার ভিডিও বন্ধ?
Sorry miss.
তারপর
Shoykot watches cartoons on TV every day. Shoykot does not watches cartoons on TV every day. Does Shoykot watches cartoons on TV every day? Doesn't Shoykot watches cartoons on TV every day?
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ তুষা। আচ্ছা, আমার ক্যামেরাটা কেন জানি ডিস্টার্ব করছে, বারবার ওপেন হচ্ছে আর বন্ধ হচ্ছে। দ্যাটস আই এম শেয়ারিং দিস ওয়ান। আচ্ছা, সো এটা আমরা ডান করেছি না, এটাও করেছে। ওকে, নাও উই ক্যান রিড দ্য প্যাসেজ। দেয়ার ইজ এ প্যাসেজ। ওকে, ইউ নো দ্য স্টোরি। সবাই এটা জানি, তাই না? থ্রাস্টি ক্রো, সবাই কি জানি গল্পটা? আর থ্রাস্টি ক্রো।
No miss.
ইয়েস, আচ্ছা, তারপর আমরা একটু পড়ি। It was summer. The day was very hot. The crow became very thirsty. It flew here and there in quest of মানে হচ্ছে in search of মানে খোঁজার জন্য কিসের জন্য পানি খোঁজার জন্য এখানে সেখানে যাচ্ছে but it did not find water anywhere. At last it saw a jar. It flew down to it, but the water was at bottom of the jar, so it could not drink. ইট বলতে ক্রোকে বোঝানো হচ্ছে কিন্তু it tried to overturn the jar but failed. At last it saw some pebbles মানে হচ্ছে নুড়ি পাথর মানে পাথরগুলো near the jar. It picked up the pebbles one by one with its beak and dropped them into the jar. The water of jar came up. The crow drank water and flew away. ঠিক আছে, সো কাজ হচ্ছে এটা 3 বার পড়বো জোরে জোরে, দেখি কত তাড়াতাড়ি পড়তে পারি সুন্দর করে।
The story It
Sound দিব।
summer. The day was very hot. A crow became very thirsty. It flew there and there in a
It was
quest of
summer.
water, but it did not find water anywhere. At
not
least
find
so
water
a jar.
anywhere.
It flew
At
down
last
to
it
it,
saw
but
a jar.
the water was at the bottom of the jar, so it could
The jar was
it
at
could
the bottom
not
of the
drink.
jar. So
It
could not drink
tried
it.
to overturn the
not
jar,
drink.
but
Overturned the
while
jar.
at least
At last it saw some
last
pebbles
it
near
saw
the
some
jar.
pebbles near the jar.
One by one with
It
the beak
picked up the
One by
into the
pebbles
jar.
and
The
one by
jar
one with
dropped
its beak and dropped
into the
them
jar.
into
Water
the
drank
of
jar.
jar
The water
comes
flew
of
away.
jar came
The
up.
crow
The crow drank water and
drank
flew
water and flew
away. It was summer. And dropped them into the jar. The water of the jar came up. The crow drank water and flew away.
আচ্ছা, we read only one times but I said more 2 times, that means total 3 times. You have to read more 2 times. ভালো করে পড়বো না
It
একটু।
was summer. The day was very hot. A crow became very thirsty. It flew here and there in quest of water, but it did not find water anywhere. At last it saw a jar. It flew down to it, but the water was at the bottom of the jar, so it could not drink. It tried to overturn the jar, but failed. At least it saw some pebbles near the jar. It picked up the pebbles one by one with its beak and dropped them into the jar. The water of jar came up. The crow drank water and flew away. It was summer. The day was very hot. A crow became very thirsty. It flew here and there in quest of water, but it did not find anywhere. At least it saw a jar. It flew down to it, but the water was at the bottom of the jar, so it could not drink. It tried to overturn the jar, but failed. At last, it saw some pebbles near the jar. It picked up the pebbles one by one with its beak and dropped them into the jar. The water of jar came up. The crow drank water and flew away.
Okay, how many times you read this?
Miss 3.
3 times.
4 times.
4 times, very good. Now I think you are totally clear. You are able to give the presentation about the story. But today I will not ask you, but you have to do some exercises. Now do this one. Number 5.
Miss, will I write full sentence?
No, just answer.
Okay, miss.
মিস পুরো সেন্টেন্সটা লিখতে হবে।
Tusha, ask me in English. Ask me in English, then I will give the response. Otherwise, I will not give any response. Say, ask me, Tusha.
Okay, miss.
ওকে মিস না, আক্স মি, আমাকে আক্স করো যে মিস।
কি বলবো?
তুমি আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো যে মিস এটা কি পুরোটাই লিখবো নাকি অনলি অ্যান্সার লিখবো, কিভাবে আক্স করবে ইন ইংলিশে?
Miss, I write it the full sentence.
আই রাইটিং না মিস, will I write the full sentence or only English, only answer? বলো এবার।
Okay, miss.
বলো মিস, will I write
Miss, will I write
only sentence or answer?
only sentence or answer?
Only answer. বলো মিস, will I write full sentence or only answer? then আমি বললাম only answer. Next time you don't ask me any question in Bangla. Tusha, be careful. And not only Tusha, all the students.
Miss, I have done writing.
Okay. So what's the answer? Number 1 কি লিখেছি?
Crow. Crow.
A crow was very thirsty.
Crow.
Flew here and there in search of water. পানির খোঁজে, এটাই লিখেছি। But there was no water
Yes, miss.
available. At last found a jar. It means crow. Found a jar. There was a little water. ওখানে কি little water ছিল। You got 5 out of 5, no?
Yes, miss.
Now do this one here. True and false. You know that? True, false.
Yes, miss.
Only answer.
Miss, only write T or F.
Only, okay, you can write, no problem.
The crow was thirsty.
The crow saw a jar at last.
Miss, I have done.
All of you done?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so you can check the answer. So the crow was thirsty. কি লিখেছি? What did you write?
True. True.
The crow saw a jar at last.
True.
The water of the jar was outside.
False.
It was inside. The crow threw some feathers.
True.
The crow put beside the jar.
False.
False. Into the jar.
False.
The crow drank water.
True.
আচ্ছা,
True.
এটা easy.
True.
আচ্ছা, তারপর আমরা এটা কোশ্চেন গুলো করে ফেলি। Why did the crow fly here and there? What did it at last? Why did it to drink water from the jar at first? Why did it not drink water? And how did the crow drink water? ঠিক আছে? So write down the answer to with helping the passage. Is it done?
Yes, miss, I have done.
Yes, I have done.
Okay, so now we can check the answer and you also just check your answer. Why did the crow fly here and there? Why মানে হচ্ছে in search of water, তাই না? এটাই হচ্ছে মেইন। What did it see at last? কি দেখেছিল? It saw, যেহেতু আমরা বলবো its did আছে, past tense করে ফেলবো। It saw a jar at last. Why did the crow fail to drink water from the jar at first? প্রথমে কেন সে ফেল হয়েছিল খেতে? The crow failed, এই দেখো ডিড আছে, এই জন্য প্রত্যেকটা কোশ্চেনে পাস্ট টেন্সে, তাই করছি আমরা। The crow failed to drink water from the jar at first because the water was at the bottom of the jar. So টেন্সের দিকে খুব খেয়াল করবো, যদি টেন্সটা তুমি ফেইল লেখো, it is totally wrong. Why could it not drink water? কেন এটা খেতে পারেনি? Same, it could not drink water because the water was at the bottom of the jar. And how did the crow drink water? কিভাবে খেয়ে মানে পানি ড্রিঙ্ক করতে পেরেছিল? Two reasons are given below. দুইটা রিজন দিয়েছে। It collected some pebbles. It dropped the pebbles into the jar and the water came up. This is the reason. That's why crow drank water. Got it? You got the idea. I think same না হলেও কিছুটা
Yes,
মিল
miss.
হয়েছে এবং you got the idea. Am I right? ওকে, ফাইজা ভিডিও অন রাখবো, বি অ্যাক্টিভ। আচ্ছা, এখন তোমাদের তো অবশ্যই লেটার থাকে, তাই না? ফর্মাল লেটার থাকে, পার্সোনাল লেটার থাকে। একটা লেটার লিখবো, লেটারটা যেন আমরা লেখা শিখি। লেটারটা হচ্ছে, সাপোজ ইউ আর তন্ময়, you live at Dhanmondi in Dhaka. Your friend is Nausha Nuash, who lives in Chattogram. Now write a letter to him about the ready wit of a crow that you have learned from the passage. Ready wit মানে হচ্ছে, রেডি উইথ মানে হচ্ছে যে উপস্থিত যে বুদ্ধি, জ্ঞান, উপস্থিত জ্ঞান অনেক সময় আমাদেরকে ডেঞ্জার থেকে সেভ করে, তাই না? সো এটাই বলছে, রেডি উইথ অফ এ ক্রো দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ লার্ন ফ্রম দ্য প্যাসেজ। ইউর লেটার শুড হ্যাভ এ হেডিং, গ্রিটিংস, বডি, ক্লোজিং অ্যান্ড সিগনেচার, নেম, রাইট, অ্যাড্রেস। আচ্ছা, এগুলো একই কথা, এটা লিখে ফেলবো দেখে দেখে। এটা টোটালি সমান থাকবে। আমি ক্রপ করেছি এই জন্য একটু এদিক সেদিক হয়েছে, বাট এটা কিন্তু টোটালি সমান থাকবে, ইউ নো দ্যাট। সো রাইট ইট ডাউন। এবং এটা যেহেতু দেখে লিখছি, উইদিন উইদিন 10 minutes you have to write down. আমরা প্রনাউন্স করে পড়বো, লিখবো।
Miss, I have done writing.
Okay, show your copy, Naipul. Achha. So I can see some students are writing off. Yes.
I have done writing also.
So just read out. Those who have done your writing, so read out loudly. জোরে একটু পড়বো। সাউন্ড দিয়ে পড়বো।
ধানমন্ডি, ঢাকা,
Same
2022. Dear Lucia, I hope you are very well.
Dear
Now
Lucian,
I am
I hope
writing
you are
to
doing
our
I hope
well.
you
servant.
are
You about
I hope you are very
From
well. Now I am writing to
our
you
crow was
about the
very
radio
thirsty.
visit
It
of a
was
crow
looking
once
for
into
water.
summer.
It could
A
not
crow was
find
very
any water.
thirsty. It was
It
looking for
was a
water but
jar with
could
a
not
little
find any water. At the
water.
bottom, the crow put some
The
pebbles
put
into the
some
jar
pebbles
and so
into the
the
jar,
water.
and
The
so
jar
that
came up.
water
Then
of
the
the jar
crow drank
come up.
water
Then
and
the
flew
crow drink
away
water
happily.
and
So
flew
some
away happily.
times Daddy Weed
Sometimes
came
maybe with
safe
can
from
save
any danger.
us
No more
from
today, your good friend
no more children.
Tonmoy.
Your good friend Tonmoy.
Good. Again, show your copy. I want to see closely. তানিশা কপি দেখাবো। আচ্ছা, লেটারটা কিন্তু এত ছোট কপিতে লেখা যাবে না, তাহা। ঠিক আছে, এমন চেষ্টা করবো 1 পেজে, আর যদি ওরকম না হয় অন্তত আমরা লেফট সাইড থেকে লেখা শুরু করবো লেটারটা। এই যে ওটা হয়েছে নাইফুলটা। আচ্ছা, গুড। ওকে, সো এটাও নেক্সট ক্লাসে বলার চেষ্টা করবো। ইট ইস এখন কিছু ওয়ার্ডস আছে, পাশাপাশি সিনোনিমস আছে। ইউ রাইট ইট ডাউন কুইকলি, এবং সময় দিব খুবই অল্প। সময় দিব মাত্র 4 মিনিট। দেখি 4 মিনিটে পারি কিনা আমরা। জাস্ট ওয়ার্ডস অ্যান্ড সিনোনিমস পড়তে পড়তে আমরা মানে লিখতে লিখতে পড়া হয়ে যাবে, মুখস্থ হয়ে যাবে। ব্যাক পেজ, দ্য হিন্ডার সারফেস অফ দ্য হিউম্যান বডি পড়লেই আমরা পারবো। হ্যাঁ, দ্রুত করব। তুষার লেখা শুরু করব, এবং অল দ্য টাইম প্লিজ মুখে উচ্চারণ থাকবেই। Okay, your writing is done.
No, miss.
No,
Which
No, miss.
you are writing? Which word? কোনটা
this
লিখ
bird,
কোথায় লিখতেছি আমরা বলো?
this bird,
Bird. You say miss, I mean bird word.
Miss, blow,
Bird.
blow.
Yeah, I'm writing bird. And you blow. Naiful blow. Taha,
Yes, miss.
which word now you are writing?
Miss begin.
Begin. Okay. First. And Tanisha?
bitter,
Sorry. Bitter. আচ্ছা তানিশা এখন আজকে একটু ফাস্ট হয়েছে। গুড। নাইফুলের লেখা শেষ?
No, miss.
আচ্ছা, মুখোচ্চারণ করে লিখবো।
Miss, I have done.
Okay, so now we will do the speaking part for 5 minutes. So, Naiful, you can write 5 questions you have to ask anyone. So you think that which type of question you will ask, but not basic question, it different question. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Mhm.
Miss, 5 questions.
5 questions. Okay, you write down 5 questions, and I will set a pair. একটা pair set করে দিব, then you ask him or her. Okay?
Miss, I have also done.
আচ্ছা, তাহলে সেম আমরা একটু 5টা কোশ্চেন লিখবো।
Patriarch.
Okay. So Naiful, I think your writing is done. And Naiful, you asked to Tusha. Naiful.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So Tusha, I think you are ready now to give the answer.
What is your nationality, Tusha?
তুষা ভিডিও অন করবো, হ্যাঁ সাউন্ড দিব।
Miss nationality কি?
ন্যাশনালিটি মানে কি? জাতীয়তা।
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 Miss, I don't know.
You don't know? Naiful, you say the answer. What will be the answer?
Bangladeshi. I am a Bangladeshi. My nationality is Bangladeshi.
ঠিক আছে তুষা, বুঝতে পেরেছি। You
Yes,
are
Miss.
Bengali. You are not Indian. You are not American. You are Bengali. So my
Miss,
national. আচ্ছা, তারপরে সেম তানিশা, আমরা কিন্তু রেডি রাখবো, সবাই 5টা কোশ্চেন করবো, তারপর নাইফুল তুষাকে কোশ্চেন করো।
What is your blood group, Tusha?
What is your blood group? Oh my God.
Miss, আমি নিজেও জানি না এটা কি।
You say speak in English, means I don't know. I didn't
Miss, I
teach.
don't know.
Okay, so Naiful, can you say what's your blood group?
Miss, my blood group is O positive.
O positive. Then next.
What is your favorite job, Tusha?
My
Favorite?
favorite job is pilot.
Okay.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is
On.
2017 January.
Okay. On.
What time do you get up in the morning?
Again, you
get-
say.
I get up 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, now Tusha, you ask to Naiful. Tusha question koro Naiful ke.
What is your favorite game?
Bolo Naiful. What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Okay.
What is your birthday?
What now? When is your birthday?
My birthday
When
is
is your birthday?
at 2015 10 January.
My birthday is on দিয়ে ডেট দিব, on like on 17 February এরকম, হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা, তারপর
What is your blood group?
another
My
question.
blood group is O positive.
আচ্ছা, তারপর
What's your mother name?
mother.
My mother's name is Akhtari Jaman.
আচ্ছা, good. Tusha has gone. Now Taha and Tanisha. Taha and Tanisha.
Miss, who asks first?
Taha asks to Tanisha.
Where do you live, Taha?
I live in Dhaka.
Who is your best friend, Taha?
My best friend name is Adina.
When do you get up, Taha?
I get up 8 p.m.
8 p.m. 8 a.m. not p.m.
Okay, miss.
আচ্ছা, তারপর
On your birthday?
My birthday is 2 April.
What happened on your birthday?
What?
What happened on your birthday?
I didn't know.
Okay, done. So Taha asks করবে তানিশাকে।
Tanisha, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Okay, now
What
you
is
ask.
the
No, no,
favorite
wait.
food?
Same question. মানে বারবার simple question করবো না। Why, uh, why do you like pink? কেন তুমি পিঙ্ক পছন্দ করো? Why it is favorite for you?
Why why color
Why
why
do you
color
like
like pink?
pink? Why do you like pink?
Why do you like pink?
Because the pink color is so bright.
And when I wear any pink dress, then everyone tells you look so pretty, you look so like a doll. That's why I like pink. তাই না? এরকম করে রিজন দিব। আচ্ছা দেন।
Tanisha, what is your favorite food?
My favorite fruit is
You are thinking for telling the favorite food?
apple.
Apple. It's a fruit. My favorite fruit is apple. Why do you
Miss,
like apple? Why do you like apple?
she have not no favorite food.
Food. সে কিছু খায় না।
Yes,
এই
miss.
জন্য that's why
Miss.
she is fat enough. এই জন্য সে অনেক মোটা। তাই না? অনেক স্বাস্থ্যের অধিকারী সে। আচ্ছা।
She doesn't like food. Any food.
Any food.
Miss,
জি।
she look a fruit. She is
বুঝতে পেরেছি। আচ্ছা তাহলে আমরা দেখবো।
আমার নেট চলে গিয়েছিল।
হ্যাঁ আমরা বুঝতে পারছি আপনি যে নাই আমাদের মাঝে। I understand everything. আচ্ছা তাহলে আমাদের পড়াটা কি থাকবে আমি বলি একটু। এখানে যে স্টোরিটা আমাদেরকে না দেখে বলতে হবে, এটা একটা। আরেকটা হচ্ছে এখানে যে লেটারটা আমি হয়তো না দেখে লিখতে দিব, উইদিন 10 minutes ইউ হ্যাভ টু রাইট ডাউন। এটা হয়তো পরীক্ষা নেব। ক্লিয়ার? অ্যান্ড এগুলো আমরা মুখস্থ করব, একটা করে সেন্টেন্স লিখে নিয়ে আসবো। অ্যান্ড অলসো এই ওয়ার্ড মিনিং গুলো মুখস্থ করবো, আমরা জিজ্ঞাসা করবো। ঠিক আছে? সো থ্যাংক ইউ, দিস ইজ ফর টুডে।
কোনগুলো আমরা মুখস্থ করবো একবার একটা
সব,
তৈরি
এভরিথিং, এভরিথিং যা আছে। ঠিক আছে? ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।